Benchmark Tea Factory. The tea leaves at Benchmark Tea Estates are plucked and manufactured with utmost care, and best quality standards are being maintained. We take the pleasure in explaining about the tea manufacturing process with all details. Tea is an aromatic beverage that is most widely consumed after water by mankind. We explain in this process about varieties of tea which is made from one single bush called as Camellia sinensis. The types of tea are black tea, CTC and orthodox, green tea, oolong tea, white tea. At Benchmark, we have 3 sophisticated manufacturing units where quality tea is manufactured with utmost care and guidance by the master tea makers. At Benchmark Ooty, we produce green tea, oolong tea and CTC tea. Benchmark Perar, we produce CTC black tea. Benchmark Kumar, we produce black orthodox tea. Tea is a noble herb and a liquid wisdom that contains polyphenols, amino acids, enzymes, pigments, carbohydrates, minerals and volatiles. And the botanical name of this herb is called Camellia sinensis. Orthodox tea. The tea leaves were commercially manufactured in India in the year 1830. Since 1830, the orthodox tea met huge demands by the manufacturers in export sales. In orthodox tea manufacture, the green leaf is withered. Withering process is the removal of water content from the green tea leaves and then sent into the rollers where the leaves are crushed. Post-crushing, the rolled and unrolled tea leaves are separated that are called as first fine and second fine. After the rolling process, the tea leaves are placed on the ceramic tiles for fermentation. During the fermentation process, the color, flavor, liquor and taste is enhanced due to the activation of enzymes. Further, fermentation process takes place for 90 minutes at room temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Then, the tea leaves are dried at 110 degrees Celsius and sent to the fiber extractor that works on static electricity, where the fiber and stalks are removed. Following the fiber extractor process, the leaves are sorted into shapes and sizes accordingly. CTC black tea. This tea came into existence after the year 1930 and was first started in Assam. The tea became popular throughout all the tea growing company states shortly. CTC means crush, tear and curl. First process in CTC tea manufacture is the withering. Post-withering, the tea leaves are sent into rotor van for crushing and further passed into 5 cut machines between 2 high-speed stainless steel sharpened rollers, and finally crushed leaves are sent into the fermentation drum where shapes are formed, and at CFM the tea is oxidized. The tea leaves are oxidized or fermented according to the room temperature, and after fermentation it is dried at 135 degrees Celsius. Once the leaves are dried, it is sent into fiber mat where the fiber and flaky tea is sorted through static electricity and further sorted to its shapes and sizes. Finally, they are packed into an airtight container to maintain the goodness of the tea.